If you were hoping to bet on the Super Bowl in February, plan to not be doing that here in the state of North Carolina. Tonight, we've learned mobile sports betting won't be live until February 11th. The North Carolina Lottery Commission saying they hope to announce a date in the near future. I know we've heard that before, but Robert Linehan tracks online gambling regulation. He told us earlier this month it would be a big loss if the Tar Heel State missed out on the football betting season.
To launch and miss out on football completely would not be the best scenario for the state. You're missing out on a lot of sports betting revenue. You're missing out on a lot of sports betting taxes that you could have simply by, offering and having everything up and running during the playoff, at least during the playoffs, or at the very least, the Super Bowl.
The commission has until June 14th to launch mobile sports betting inside the state. Sports betting is currently legal in person at 3 tribal casinos in the western part of the state.